As someone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen, I know how important it is to have the right pots and pans. Whether you're a pro like me or just starting to cook, you want a variety of cookware that will let you make just about anything. Before you even start cooking, there are 2 questions to ask. What do you want to make? And what flavors and textures do you want from your meal? Then it's easy to choose the best pan for the job. I'm going to show you different types of cookware that I love to use and why you need to use them in your kitchen too. Okay, first is non-stick, the foundation to a good cookware collection. It's your everyday workhorse for delicate foods and one-pot meals, or for when you want to cook something quick. Plus, it's super easy to clean in the dishwasher. Our Brilliance non-stick cookware has all the basic pieces and features you want for everyday cooking. Its quality non-stick coating helps release food easily. It has a neutral blue non-stick exterior that looks great in any kitchen and cooks on any stovetop, including induction. If you're looking for non-stick that's a little more versatile and space-saving, our signature non-stick cookware has you covered. The top-of-the-line coating lets you use metal utensils, the removable handle makes storage easy, and it's designed without rivets to prevent buildup. Next up is stainless steel non-stick cookware. These are the pieces you want for sautéing, stir-frying, or pan sauces for when you're trying to develop flavor and get a nice sear. That's where stainless really shines. These pans combine the best parts of stainless steel with the ease of non-stick. They're durable enough to use with metal utensils, the non-stick mesh coating makes cleanup so easy, and they're dishwasher safe. Another must-have is our Rock Crock. These natural clay pots and pans go almost anywhere. The oven, broiler, stovetop, grill, microwave, and dishwasher. This is the cookware I grab for foods that cook all day, like stew, pot roast, or fall-off-the-bone chicken, or when I want a quick meal in the microwave. I can even start dinner on the stovetop, then move it to my slow cooker stand to finish cooking or keep food warm. Couldn't be easier. Okay, the last type of cookware everyone needs is cast iron. For dishes that need high, consistent heat, cast iron is king. Our seasoned cast iron is perfect for searing meat to get a crust and for pan frying and baking. Because it's such a dense material, it retains heat even when temperature of your oven, grill, or stove fluctuates. One of the best things about cast iron is how versatile it is. It can go from stove to the oven, under the broiler, on the grill, and even on a campfire. For one-pot meals that I'm going to take straight to the table, enameled cast iron is my go-to. It has all the even cooking and heat retention you get from seasoned cast iron, plus the enameled coating makes it easy to clean in the dishwasher, and it never needs seasoning. All our cast iron is made with sturdy handles that make these pots and pans easier to move when they're full of food. So there you have it, the 4 kinds of cookware every kitchen needs. Non-stick, stainless steel non-stick, rock crock, and cast iron. With these different cooking materials, you'll be ready to make so many delicious meals. Happy cooking!